Welcome everyone to my new video presentation, to my new price prediction and technical analysis for Dogwifhat cryptocurrency. Talk about one that moved 57% in the last 7 days. There's a lot to share on the topic. We're up on the volume as well. We do have major news on the ETF of the Ethereum spot announcement on the launching day. And this is how does the shape of the altcoin market is building so far. Take a look at the last 7 days. We're up by 30, 40, 50% movements, and this is just the beginning of something that looks extremely beautiful from the charting side as well. Let's find out more, let's discuss about it, and touch all the bases in the next couple of minutes. So this is the Dogwifhat on the daily candles, and we're looking at a structure here that we so far successfully broke out of a demand zone, which holds the price action above. And it is definitely not intending at the moment to form any form of major retracement breaking below a key level. The key level breakout would actually mean to lose our $2 mark, right? So that's something that everyone needs to know. There is a lot of the room, by the way, from here till you actually would confirm a loss of the $2 mark. It is about 20%. So not losing that is definitely going to give us the pressure and the force needed to get into a few potential targets and price action challenges. And so far, the first thing we need to deal with is going to be the downtrending environment line, which starts from the top, from the all-time high of this cryptocurrency, and at the moment it is located somewhere around $2.8. At the same time, we have a combination, a mixture of trendings, which generates the so-called key price action pattern, and this is located on $2.9 right there. Highly powerful. On the other side, you have basically your current uptrending resistance line, which comes basically from the way it has been holding the whole structure throughout the April, May, June, and so on. This is continuing, and it's also finding a price action near to the other two mentioned ones, around $2.9, $3, right? So in a nutshell, everything from 2.75 up to $3 is heavily filled up with major selling pressure. Above this level, you have a structure of liquidity, which is right there. That structure of liquidity is going to take the markets easily to the high levels. The only problem is to get yourself into that structure of liquidity deep in order to get that snowball effect of liquidities to take yourself into the potential target of the highs. That's the G pocket right there. So we are talking about the necessity, actually, if you would like to see a stronger move, to get deep into this candlestick right here. If you successfully deliver that, Dogwifhat is going to have sufficient force to get into the potential target, which is located, between 3.5 up to 3.7. That's where the big fight is going to be placed again. This is where we are with this one, folks. One of the major difficulties right now is to transform our 2.7 up to $3 mark, convert that, and make sure we are succeeding, right? So converting is not going to happen from a breakout. A successful conversion happens from a confirmation of the breakout. So it's one more step needed, or at least one more step needed. We're far away from that, but we're in a good position to start talking about it. This is why the $1.5 to the $2.5 mark represents a 64% profit. The ones that have been scalping this cryptocurrency are already exiting, are already taking advantage of a 65% movement or 60% or whatever, which is usually done on leverage, on a 5x leverage. That's a 300% profit on that one, guys. I would definitely not be sorry about it. I would definitely not underestimate and for sure lock that profits in if I would be in that position. 300% is something on a margin, of course, that is amazing in 8 days performance. This is where we are, folks, for late July 2024 on this cryptocurrency. We're looking forward to talking about it as well in the upcoming period. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Put your thoughts in the comments area. And for those of you that are serious about a crypto space, serious about a trading world, I do run a one-on-one coaching program where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. It is a coaching program which is one-on-one with me, like I said, live on Zoom conversations with all the lessons needed between 4 to 6 weeks. We're going to be on 10 lessons session which is sufficiently enough to transform any person from the level it is into the right direction of trading based on the chart correctly. That's the only way you can be objective about markets, and that's the only way you can actually have the ability along the way with knowledge from multiple corners, such as the way you deal with a risk, with the finance, with the indicators, with the internal emotions and all these things. I mean, trading is a complex activity. This is something that I also talk quite a lot about it. For those of you that believe if you take a strategy or if you take a indicator and put it on your side, then you start printing money, this is not the way it works. Unfortunately, if it would be like that, imagine how easy it would be for the entire world from tomorrow to get started with the indicator and print money. It is not like that, folks. Definitely not like that. So no one sells you the idea that is an honest person. No one sells you the idea that making money from trading is easy, or simply making money from trading is something that you can do with any level of knowledge and skills. That's wrong. That's basically a person that makes money by telling you how to make money, which is problematic if you want to learn from that one. However, we don't talk about others. We talk about the concept, the problems, the issues that we understand and simply memorize, digest, and then we know how to act accordingly. If you want a free call with me where I can explain you more, but only if you're serious about it, register now and we talk to you on the email. And by the way, if you want to be part of my trading, you can definitely do so. Simply completely done for you, be part of my APA trading, completely automated for you, outsourced for you, based on no prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits made. You can find out more about my journey on this page. You can see how these things are moving around and also check out from the link in the description area or in the comments area of all my resources. Enjoy, guys. Have a good time.